Customizing e-learning content for different generations of learners. As an L&D professional, you may have observed that your learning style is much different from the learning style of your parents and grandparents. This is because of the generational difference, so it's important to understand this difference to make your content suitable to all the generations. Let's now understand the 4 generations of learners. Baby boomers are independent learners who prefer face-to-face interactions and hands-on learning experiences. They're also motivated by challenge and recognition. Generation X are the self-reliant learners who prefer shorter, more concise content that gets straight to the point. They're also motivated by practicality and relevance. Millennials are social learners who prefer collaborative learning experiences and information that is visually stimulating. They're also motivated by customization and immediate feedback. Generation Z are tech-savvy learners who prefer digital learning experiences and content that is easy to access. They're also motivated by personalization and engagement. So when customizing content for learners across these generations, it is important that you consider these 3 points and design the content accordingly. Want your e-learning course to be made suitable for all generations of learners? Reach out. Check out the description below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel today.